Okay, so Bugatti is partnering with a very unique. I would even go as far as say as an unknown German brand to produce a Bugatti speaker. Pretty much, they are calling this the Bugatti Royale speaker. It's a very high end, very high, ultra high end speaker that is active, so it doesn't really need a separate amplifier. It already has amplifier built into it. It's made in partnership with the German brand Tidal. Don't confuse it with the streaming Tidal company. Tidal is another German audio firm that makes high-end products. This is a different brand, and they have made this speaker to compete with some of the most expensive speakers that you have on the market, period. This is a crazy built speaker. So the the design of the speaker is pretty cool. Not really like anything that would blow anybody's mind, but it's really coming in a premium design from the build quality. They claim they are using carbon fiber, and even precious metals are going to be used on it. They even use dark aluminium, polished stainless steel. They will even use some of the most finest made finishing for it, pretty much. And it's coming in multiple finishes, so you really can go for what you feel like going for. Honestly, it will be fine. A lot of people would really go for it and they will be good. So the the speaker will weigh around 160 kg, which is incredibly heavy. It is really heavy, really heavy, and it's not something someone can actually carry that easily. And I think this is for big houses, castle-like houses, rich people's houses, people that don't really know what to do with their money, honestly, because this speaker is certainly not for people that are struggling. You understand? It's not for people that are struggling. Honestly, this speaker is for the seriously rich people. The rumored price is around 100, like a six figure is the rumored price. It's pretty much going to range for like 200K up to $1 million, depending on how they end up finishing this speaker and giving you a price tag. So this is crazy. Honestly, this is really crazy. But it is what it is. It's in news right now. I'll leave the reports in the description if you want to read about it. Subscribe to our channel, like our content, and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.